Good day, traders. In this video, I bring you a binary options strategy that will allow you to make a quick profit if you apply it correctly. So don't miss any part of the video and let's get started. To start, we will use the following indicators: Awesome oscillator, slow period with path 21, fast period with path 8. Another indicator that we are going to use is the moving average. In period, we path 8. In type, we path SMA. And in color, we path white and thick line. Let's add another moving average. In period, we path 20. In type, we path SMA, and in color, we path orange. This is how the graph should look. If you want, you can use other colors for the moving averages, no problem. Before I explain the strategy, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any of my best binary options strategies. Buy. To buy, a green bar must appear above the middle line of the Awesome oscillator. The bigger the bar, the better. In addition, the white moving average must cross the orange moving average from bottom to top. Sell. To sell, a red bar must appear below the middle line of the Awesome oscillator. Also, the bigger that bar is, the better, since it indicates that the price is about to fall more strongly. In addition, the white moving average must cross the orange moving average from top to bottom. Buy. As you can see, I'm using 1 minute candles. As expiration time, I put 2 minutes. But you can use 2 or 3 minutes as expiration time. First, the white moving average crossed the orange moving average from the bottom to top, and then when a green bar appeared above the middle line of the Awesome oscillator, I made the 2 minute buy. Always expect a large bar on the Awesome oscillator and not a small bar that is barely visible. This way the signal will be more effective. Be careful if you operate against the trend, since it's more risky. Almost all of my strategies are used following the trend or in sideways trends. Operate against the trend decreases the effectiveness. The strategy works in the OTC market, so you can use it. There is little left for the operation to end. In my experience, it's a strategy that has given me very good profits and I use it in the normal market. We won $249 in just 2 minutes. Sell. Here are the conditions to make a sale. And if you got to this part of the video, I want to tell you that if you are in a downtrend and you make sales, this strategy works spectacularly. I really like making sales with this strategy. Perfect. I put 2 minutes of expiration time. Look, the white moving average crossed the orange moving average from top to bottom. And then a red bar appeared below the middle line of the Awesome oscillator. A bar of that size is fine to make a sell, but the bigger the better. The crossover of the moving averages should be a clear crossover, like in this case, and not like in this case, where the moving averages seem to be getting tangled up. Once the Awesome oscillator shows 3 bars, I don't recommend doing a trade, as it's too late. We should always expect a clear crossover and a bar from the Awesome oscillator. Don't rush, wait for the 2 conditions, analyze the trend, and practice. Okay, we win. I hope you liked the strategy. Subscribe to the channel to see more content, and here I leave you more binary options strategies like this.